Namaste. Welcome to Wholesome Living Through Food, a beautiful collaboration between home cooking and yoga you. Here we explore simple traditional recipes that nourish the body, support digestion, and bring balance to everyday living. Today's recipe is a cooling and nourishing Ragi Kanji. Rooted in South Indian food wisdom, rich in natural goodness, and perfect for mindful, wholesome eating. Let's check it out. As you can see, I have fermented quarter cup of ragi flour in water overnight. Fermenting the ragi flour develops natural probiotics in it. These probiotics improve digestion and overall gut health. The next morning, it looks like this, and you have to remove the froth formed on the top. After the foam is removed, mix the ragi flour with the remaining water and keep it aside. Now take a pot or a saucepan and add about 3 cups of water to it. It's a 250 ml cup measurement. Heat the water and then add the ragi mixture. Mix it all well and let it thicken. This takes about 15 minutes. Keep the flame on medium and keep stirring it at intervals. If you want to check if it's cooked or not, dip your fingers in water and then touch the ragi mixture. If it doesn't stick, it's an indication that it's cooked fully. At this point, you can turn off the heat and cool it down. After cooling down, the ragi mixture thickens like this. It is totally normal, so don't worry. So this is how we want it. Now take some fresh thick curd. Add the curd to the ragi mixture and add some finely chopped shallots to the same. You can replace them with some normal onions if you like. Next, I'm adding 2 de-seeded green chilies that has been finely chopped. Lastly, add some finely chopped coriander leaves and 1 teaspoon of salt. Now mix all this well and whisk it. The mixture is very thick. I'm adding water. Now add the water and mix well. That's it. Our Ragi Kanji or Nachni Kanji is ready to be served. You can simply transfer it to a mud pot and keep it naturally chilled and enjoy this drink whenever you want. You can enjoy this drink in any season as it is rich in nutrients like calcium, iron and fiber. This is a great drink for diabetics too as it is low on glycemic index. We hope this simple Ragi Kanji inspires you to reconnect with traditional foods. If you like our recipes, subscribe to our channel and share our recipes with your family, friends and your yoga community. Until next time, stay healthy, stay nourished and stay happy.